Retail industry is undergoing a monumental shift as digital technologies reshape how we shop. Retailers are adapting to innovative ways of reaching and serving customers in an industry where m-commerce is growing exponentially. By 2025, m-commerce sales will make up over 10% of all U.S. retail sales. Use SlideTeam's actionable digital trends in retail industry PPT templates to know how to go digital faster and better. SlideTeam brings you up to speed on emerging digital trends to help you enhance customer experience, boost efficiency, and beat competition. Deploy this content-ready and custom-made PPT templates to capitalize on a huge business opportunity and be in sync with the times. An effective social media strategy is crucial for the success of online retail services. 1/3 of shoppers report that Instagram and Facebook influence their purchase decision. Social media also helps retailers showcase their products and services better. Omnichannel retailing, where customers can shop across multiple channels such as online, in-store, and mobile, is another major trend. According to a McKinsey report, companies that implement omnichannel see 90% higher customer retention rate. Use this pre-designed digital transformation in retail industry PPT template to revolutionize your business. Finally, augmented reality and machine learning for personalized marketing, customer service, and product recommendations are game changers. These technologies and tools analyze customers' interests, likes and dislikes. These also handle routine inquiries, optimize inventory levels, compare prices and create trends. This data is invaluable in providing a customized shopping experience, the hallmark of excellent retail selling. The retail industry must leverage these digital trends to create a future that is more convenient for the customer and more profitable for itself. Grab this custom-made digital transformation in retail industry PowerPoint presentation to witness your company's exponential growth.